Hi everyone, happy first day of our PSA project. So this is going to be a 3-week project. It's an individual project, so you're doing it on your own. There's going to be some different things for this week. So there's actual due dates, and you need to do all of the lessons in order to make sure that you know what you're doing. So I'm going to try to take you through nice and slow and hit all the directions. So hopefully just by watching this video, you know exactly what to do. All right. Um, So if you click on our week 7 folder, PSA project week number 1, this is the first thing you see. So this right here is the easiest breakdown I could think of for you with due dates and understanding what you have due when. So as you see, due October 27th, which is Tuesday. Lesson 1 is due, which is topic and driving questions worksheet. Okay, that will make more sense once we go into the lesson 1. Lesson 2, which is due on a Wednesday, this worksheet's due. And lesson 3, which is due on Friday, this worksheet's due. So we have a lesson due on Tuesday, a lesson due Wednesday, and a lesson due Friday. It'll be the same thing for next week. Lesson due Tuesday, lesson due Wednesday, and then Friday will just be recording. And then we have our final video due, and then you'll be watching some reflections. Okay, so you're going to be given a topic. You're going to create a short video. Then you're going to watch other people's videos. That's about it. All right, so we'll go into lesson 1 for week 1. So same setup. We have our lesson, we have our PDF, and we have our assignment today. So my best advice for you is to click on the lesson and just keep scrolling. All right, so lesson 1, week 1, PSA project. Okay, so watch my video. I'll explain the project as well as today's expectations. Find your name in the spreadsheet and see what topic you have been assigned for the PSA project. After seeing your topic, you're going to come up with 2 driving questions. Download your worksheet in Notability and fill it out as you go through today's lesson. Task 3, watch 6 different PSAs. You're going to watch 2 from each category, and on that same worksheet, you're going to answer 2 questions after each video, and write down the style of PSA you're going to do. Your last task will be to upload that worksheet. So this might seem like a lot, but it's all right, we will break it down. So task 1, you're watching this video, good job. Task 2, find your name on the spreadsheet and see which topic you have been assigned for the PSA project. After you find your topic, you're going to come up with 2 driving questions. Download your worksheet in Notability and fill it out as you go through today's lesson. All right, so you're going to go through here. If you're in my 6-hour class, you're going to look for your name, okay, and then you're going to see which topic you have. All right, so find your name, find your topic. Okay, 7th hour, here are your topics. All right, and then you're going to go back and you're going to download that PDF. You need to have the PDF available as you're going through the rest of this slide. All right, so again, just keep going down this page and just reading. So open the PDF in Notability, and you're going to create 2 driving questions about your topic. Write them on your PDF. So what is a driving question? It's an open-ended inquiry that guides students' learning and thinking. This is what students should be working to explore. So you're going to use this website as a resource to help you think of 2 driving questions about your topic. Okay, when you click on that website, it's going to kind of explain what driving questions are. So if, for example, if my topic was how to be better in the weight room, my driving top questions could be how, which resources do I have available to be better in the weight room, or how, what area in the weight room am I looking to be better at? Am I working to be more consistent? Certain exercises? Do I want to be stronger? Do I want to get better at certain lifts? So your questions should be open-ended about your topic that are just going to help drive your research. Okay, so if I want to focus on getting better at back squat, okay, I might need to research how to get better at back squat. What are the components of that? What is it going to look like for me in order to get better at that? So these driving questions are to really help you break down how you're going to continue this project. Okay, so they should help you. So really focus on these. Make sure they're good, open-ended questions so you have somewhere to go, somewhere to research. Okay, again, go to this website. It's an awesome resource. It will help you write those. After you think of 2, write them down on your PDF. Okay, keep scrolling. Task 3, what makes a PSA effective? So there's many different styles and approaches you can take when creating your PSA. Today, you will decide which one is the most appropriate and effective for the message you are trying to get across. So your PSA will need to get the audience to pay attention. Okay, you're trying to grab someone's attention with this. You're trying to teach somebody, convince somebody, grab their attention. You're going to make sure the message is clear and easy to understand. You're going to have the message supported by research facts about the issue. So it's not going to be an opinion piece. Okay, you need to have research and hard facts. And you're going to get the audience to be able to sympathize with those affected by the issue. So there's 3 different PSA styles. You have your narrative, your documentary/interviews, and your announcement. A narrative style uses either a scene or a montage, which is a collection of short clips, or a reenactment or footage of true events to get the point you're trying to make across. Okay, this style can allow your PSA to be creative, but also very powerful. You have the documentary. This method brings interviews into the PSA. It's effective because the interviews provide either expert knowledge or stories from people who have personal experience with your topic. Sometimes interviews can be joined with a voiceover, or it could just be the interview itself. And the last one is the announcement. This is usually what people think of when they think of PSA. It's a series of videos and images with a narrator delivering the information to the audience. Sometimes text alone can be super powerful and effective. So if these are very confusing to you, do not worry. We have examples. Okay, so you're going to watch 2 from each category. So we have our announcement. Okay, you're going to click on 2 of these and watch them. You have your documentary. You're going to click on 2 of these and watch them. You have your narrative. You're going to click on 2 of these and watch them. So you're watching 6 videos. And you're only watching them to see which kind you want to do. So if you watch one in the announcement and you're like, I don't think that would work well for my topic, okay, then you're going to watch the documentary and you're like, oh, I know somebody who's in the fitness industry and I'm talking about yoga. That could be a great interview. Okay, maybe I'll do this one. So this is just to help give you examples of what's going to work best for you. After you watch 6 of these, you're going to go into your worksheet and you're going to write down which style you wanted to use for your PSA. Okay, and then you're going to upload your worksheet to Schoology. You got this.